Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Is the microphone working? The answer is no, no, no. This is my Rode microphone and this is the Windpuff. Let me just connect this. I do not even, okay, I found the hole to connect the microphone. So the microphone, I have no microphone hooked up to my iPad. So the noise is really, really bad right now. I just want to say I'm sorry. So let me just, oh my goodness, it just dropped down. I was trying to get it out, but it dropped down. Let me just throw that Windpuff away. And here is what is my another new microphone I bought on Amazon. So this is called Power Device Lavalier microphone. One of my favorite YouTubers bought this microphone, so I was like, what is the microphone name on his Instagram? So he told me to search this lavalier microphone on Amazon and it will be the first one. So I bought this microphone and today I'm gonna unbox and review it. I have seen the unboxing videos about this microphone. Okay, it comes with this. So this is a warranty card. Let me just get it out of here. This is the manual. You already know. This is to clean the screen of your iPad and stuff, camera, whatever. So let me just take this. What is this? This, get that out of here. It feels so good. Okay, there's the logo Power Device and let's see what is inside here. Okay, Power Device. This is very long. There's a lot of things, so let me just get all of this out and that's about it for inside the pocket. So let me just see what is in here. There's the microphone muffs, the wind muff, and I think this is to connect with your GoPro and stuff. This to connect with computer, I think. I don't even know, but let's see another wire right here. There's the microphone lavalier microphone, and yeah, the wire is very, very long, and there's a small one right here. I do not even know. Okay, there's this and there's two microphones. So this is extra wire to make your microphone longer. It is really awesome. So this is the microphone. You hook it up here right here and say, what's up Nargang, how are you doing? Subscribe to my channel. Actually subscribe to my channel if you're watching this video. This is to connect with your iPad and stuff. So let me just take this out and connect with my iPad, and they have this Velcro. It is really, really awesome. Let me just take this out. Okay, get out for the second. 6.5 and 6.5 is 13 feet. You can have 13 feet of wire. Oh my goodness. So this is okay. Let me test this out. I'll put this on and I will see you in the next clip. Testing, testing, Power Device lavalier microphone. Can you see me? I'm moving far away from the camera and this wire is very, very long. That's why it is 6 foot long. And can you hear me? I do not even know if you can hear me or not, but the lavalier microphone is hooked up in my short ear right here. You can already see it. So how are you doing, guys? Like this video, subscribe. Can you still hear me? I do not even know. This is my first time testing out the microphone and I need to replay the clip and hear myself. So I think it's gonna be awesome. This costs like $22 and the microphone better be Gucci, 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 Gucci. I hope it will be awesome. So if you can hear me, that's amazing. Like I wanted a microphone, so I bought this lavalier microphone, Power Device company. So yeah, I hope the sound quality is good on this microphone comparing to the regular iPad audio, whatever. So yeah, if you use a phone and this microphone is cheap, it is cheap and you can buy it, so it will be good audio. So I will check the audio and I will come back as soon as possible, ASAP. Let me check the audio if it is good or bad. I have checked the audio and it is definitely better than the iPad audio. The iPad audio in the beginning, it was trash. Now it is very, very awesome and cool. I cannot believe it. It is so cool. It is better than any microphone, every microphone I used in the past. The Rode video microphone, the iPad microphone, and my dad earphone, AirPod, all of those. This is the best microphone. It is really, really amazing, and I already unboxed the video, so the video is over. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the like button. Let's get 10 likes for this microphone unboxing and review. It is very, very awesome. If you want to buy this microphone, the link is in the description below, so go buy it if you want to. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's get 10 likes. I will see you guys on my next video. Nargang out. Nargang, Nargang, Nargang. Watch more videos in the end screen. Nargang. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Click on the screen to watch more videos and click the subscribe button to subscribe to the channel. I hope you enjoyed. Nargang out.